Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with another glam and fun-filled DIY to share with you guys. I got some items from BeeBeeCraft again, and I'll be doing a DIY with some of the items today to share with you guys. But first of all, I'm going to show you what I got. And if you're new here, welcome. And I hope you hit that subscribe button and hope you ring the bell so you'll become part of our Glamster team and you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. Yeah. So let's get into the items that I got from BeeBeeCraft, and then we'll get right into today's glam DIY. Alright everyone, here is a quick look at the items that I got from BeeBeeCraft this time. Okay, here we have this lovely crystal round epoxy rhinestone sheet. Yes, it's a hot thick sheet with epoxy, but you know, you can use it with those hot irons and stuff that they use to put it on. I don't have that, but you know your girl loves this sheet. And here it has the little thing on the back for, I guess, when you use the hot thing that they put it on with. But like I said, where there's a will, there's a way, and your girl loves this sheet. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it with my DIY. Next, I have 1 yard of this Tassel rhinestone diamond chain. Look at this. This looks so nice. Here's a closer look at this chain. I love how it dangles down. It looks so cute, super cute. And this one here is another tassel design, and it's 2 yards. This one's a little longer than the other one, and it's a glass rhinestone chain also. And look at this, it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love these glam items from BeeBeeCraft. They're so super cute for doing crafting. And again, we have our glam chain in pink. I've ordered this one before. I absolutely love it. And I have another DIY to share with you guys using this chain again. I love it. It's the 2mm size and it's absolutely beautiful. Now everything I have will be listed down below, so you guys can go over to BeeBeeCraft and check them out. So let's get into what I will be doing today with this glam items that I got from BeeBeeCraft. So you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright everyone, we have this pillowcase here that I got from Walmart. The 2 pillows I'm using today I got from Walmart. It's a velvet material. And we have our glam sheet here. So I'm just going to take off the plastic. And I'll be cutting some strips into this sheet. I'm just going to be cutting 6 rhinestones. And then I will cut. And I'll be cutting, I think 3 of these rhinestone sheets at 6. Okay, here's our pattern here. Like I told you, 3 of the rhinestones at 6. And then I'm going to use some E6000 to glue down these sheets onto our cushions or pillowcases, whichever one you like to call it. It's just fine. Now you can use some fabric glue. I didn't have enough. I had some of that, but it's not enough for this project. So I'm using the E6000 because it does the same thing. So I'm just going to put it all the way across and then put it onto our pillowcase. And now for our next sheet, I'm gonna use a what do you call it, popsicle stick. It's easier to spread the E6000 around, and it's a bigger surface too. So I'm just gonna spread it going all the way up, and then we are going to glue it to our cushion pillowcase. And now that our strips are all down, I'm going to use some of our mirror tiles I get from Amazon. Yes, I'm going to be placing these strips onto our pillow cover. Just space them out just like this. Nice little design. Going all the way up. Okay, so we're just going to peel off the strips now, and I'm going to use the E6000 and lay them down onto our DIY. And now for DIY number 2. This is the second cushion I have from Walmart. It's gray and white, and we are going to use this Tassel chain that we got from BeeBeeCraft. Oh, it's so glam and nice. Okay, I'm gonna cut it along strips following the strips that are on the cushion. Just measure it out, cut it up. And then I am going to use the E6000 and just glue it to our cushion. And I'm just going to repeat this step going all along the cushion, measuring out the strips, and cut them and glue them down with the E6000. And now that our chain is all down, I'll be using some more mirror tiles to glam out this pillowcase as well. And they are the is it a 10 by 10? I believe it's a 10 by 10 mirror tiles from Amazon. So just like I did with the chain, follow the stripes on the pillow. I'll be doing the same thing with the mirror tiles, following the stripe on the pillow. And you can put as much as you like or as little as you like, but adding the mirror and the chains is such a glam look together. I love how it's turning out. And when we're finished, we are going to set aside both pillows so that the E6000 can dry overnight, and then our Glam Decor DIY will be all finished. Alright, my Glamsters, here is the finished look. I think I outdid myself this time. I do. I absolutely love them. OMG, look at that. Look at the mirror tiles. Look at my glam sheet. Like I said, where there's a will, there's a way. This is an epoxy sheet, but you know your girl loved the glam. I had to get it and put it on with my own style, and I think it looks lovely. And I love how this one turned out with the chains and the mirrors. Oh my gosh. The glam items from BeeBeeCraft are absolutely beautiful. And like I told you before, I will leave a link below to all these items. You can go over to BeeBeeCraft and have a look at some of them and get some to do a glam pillow or cushions, whatever you like to call it, project for your home. I love it. Here's a quick look of how they look on my couch. Yes, I have a sectional. I think I need to get one more gray cushion to go in there. The velvet, like I said, I got them from Walmart and they're absolutely nice. They're very reasonable price and I love how it turned out. Glam and nice. A lovely piece of home decor. Easy DIY home decor for your home. Alright, my glamsters, I hope you enjoyed seeing how I made these cushions. Oh my gosh. Let me show you them one more time. I love this. I love them. They are so nice. Nice and comfy. Yes, they are. And I'm gonna get another gray one like this to go on my couch. I think I should. So it'll be 2 grays. And then, of course, this one. Yeah, this nice glam one here. I love this one the best. OMG. With the white and the gray and the chains. And the mirrors. Oh, the chains from BeeBeeCraft. Oh my gosh. I think this is absolutely glam and nice. I absolutely love them. Alright, everyone. Thank you so much for coming on and seeing my 2 DIYs I had to share with you today. And I hope you guys make some of these cushions or pillows, or what you would call them, for yourself. Some people say cushions, some people say pillows. It doesn't matter, they're both the same. You can make them for your couch, even for your bed. But they're really nice. So I hope you make some for yourself. And like I was saying, thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's DIY. And stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye, everyone.